Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Easter Sunday. We're going to church. Blessed morning. I'm so tired. But we're going to church. Yeah. For sure. We're going. You guys ready? Where's Jenny? Alright, the kids are down here. Janae? The kids are here waiting. Mommy's making breakfast, which hopefully we have some time. I'm gonna definitely go. Are you tired? Me too. Me too. Yeah, but it is Sunday and we're going to church. Gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys Easter Sunday. So if you guys go to church, leave a comment. Alright. Yeah, that's about it. Anything else? They're a little bit slow right now because everybody just wake up. But we're gonna get moving. I'm gonna get moving, matter of fact, and the baby's still sleeping. I'm gonna wake her up last. So yeah, stay tuned to see what we're wearing when we're going to church, all of that good stuff. So we're eating breakfast. Let me show you guys. My plate kind of stay bad, so we're eating ackee, fried dumpling, plantain. Amelia's eating. Janae, Catherine finish eat. Kara eat up, because I know I want dumpling mommy give you. Two? Okay, you gonna eat. Remind me to put in your earring. Amelia, come on, bite the dumpling and eat it. Olivia is still sleeping, so I'm gonna eat and then go get my makeup done. But we have food in our stomach, so nobody should be hungry. Just a snack they need when they leave church or at church. So let's eat. It's time to go. Hold on, let me show you guys. Everyone. Alright, so this is me. Come on, see. Queen and Kyra, come this way. Catherine, come this way. Alright, so this is me. Me and Janae have the same dress on. Amelia, let me go low. Queen, Kyra, Catherine, where's Jill? Go that area. And Janae, go in the frame. Oh, and Ossie, you want to show them you? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so we're about to leave out. First up, my head to reach in the car. We have to leave now late. Oh, mommy over here. So we're gonna leave out. We're gonna see you guys in church, definitely. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Education. So don't
Hallelujah.
He said, prophesy what you hear. Me, God said, prophesy the word.
Yes.
Don't tell me what you think. Don't tell me what somebody else tells you to tell me. Prophesy the word.
Yes, Lord. Hallelujah.
Prophesy my word. And it says to the man of God, he said, hear the word of the Lord.
Look here.
Thus says the Lord God to these bones, I will cause breath to enter into you,
You guys listening?
and you shall live. I will put sinews on you, and bring flesh upon you, cover you with skin, put breath in you, and you shall live. And he's doing this for one reason, because then you must know that I am the Lord. FCDC Orlando, when he puts breath in you, when he puts the structure together, when he puts you back together again, you must know that he is the Lord. It is he who has done this for us.
Alright, we're making the vegetables. Almost done. I only have the salad to put inside. Janae's here also washing the rice.
Actually, no.
Come, Quinn and Kara, come tell me how church was.
I love church. I love church so much. This is my favorite.
You have to be in the camera. The camera is on.
Can I tell you my favorite part?
Okay, go ahead.
My favorite part was when we were standing up like this, and then we had to pray. That was my most favorite part. But when we were standing up, my legs hurted, and I just want to say church is very good, and every Sunday we always go because we want to worship God.
There we go.
And they put oil on us, and they put a plus on us.
They prayed for you.
Cross. Yeah. And that's it's still on me. Yeah.
Come, Catherine, come and tell the people how was church.
What about me?
You too, go ahead. The camera is rolling.
So I loved when we got up and then they were praying because it was and when she prayed for us, I kept on going like this.
You felt it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was.
My favorite part at the service was basically the whole church.
You liked all of it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And then Janae is washing the rice, so talk to them.
My favorite part about church was also everything, but when they were praying for us and we were standing up and the oil on our head was the best part.
Yeah, me too. When we were at the altar and then they prayed for us, I felt that part. We still have the olive oil on our head. But dinner is almost done. Mommy's outside cooking the chicken. Janae's washing the rice. You finish? Yes. We're gonna put the rice in the rice and peas right now before the vegetables is done. Looking so good. Yes. They're doing schoolwork. Catherine is gonna read a book. Olivia, where you give me ice cream? The fun there too, yeah. Is your one?
Drink up for this, because you don't want it.
Alright. Sit here. Yeah, you. Ooh. So the chicken cooking down. You ready to eat dinner? What are you eating? Ice cream? I feel one. Who for one?
Me.
Are you ready?
My
Watch
one.
out, she don't want this. You want our kids then. Anyway, dinner. Chicken is outside.
Dinner.
I am going to
Want
change.
it,
Wash my face. So I didn't shower before I went to church because I took a shower 4 a.m. this morning. So I did not shower. And I woke up back 6. So I was like, nah. But now I am going to shower and lay down. Yeah, may I put this in a pot? I'm going to put the rice in the pot. Done clean up this area because we're done cooking. Not even 2 o'clock. Now we go to church. That's lit. So I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna get some rest. I'm gonna wake up 5 o'clock. Yeah, so a matter of fact, we have to post our Sunday reset video. So yeah, I'm gonna put the rice in the pot. I'll see you guys in dinner time. It is dinner time. I fell asleep. And now Olivia is miserable. Me and Olivia, we went to sleep. So it's time to eat dinner. Actually start sharing. This is whose? This is Janae's. Who's Kyra or Quinn? This is Kyra, yeah. And then we have Amelia and Olivia. You ready to eat? Olivia? Mommy eating some more and warming the rice. Come on.
Who likes my watch?
That watch is big.
Yeah.
Alright, this is Quinn. Where Quinn normally sits. Check up that thing.
She doesn't normally sit in the middle.
This is 2 spoons in here. Okay, you normally sit in the middle. Take it up.
Yeah, I do.
Take up the kuma and stuff. Alright, they're gonna eat.
10 times.
I'm gonna share my dinner. We're gonna eat dinner and that is it. Super tired. Olivia was sleeping. They do, Mommy, I got second round because she eats already, but she's eating again. So she's eating. Me, hungry. Like, I am so hungry right now. It's no joke. So let's do that. That's how the Sunday looks. The kids are supposed to do the egg hunting today. It is after 7, almost 7:30. Tired, so tomorrow. So yeah, let's just eat dinner and then relax. How about that? So I'll see you guys later. Mommy, I beat chicken back she eat. She don't like meat. What that piece I back? That's the reason why I buy the Ola chicken, because when you buy the cut up one, then take out the back to make the chicken back. So
Carry one
yeah.
ice.
I don't like my
Anyway.
ice.